Hey guys, welcome back to Channel AL.
So what we're going to be doing on this channel is we are going to be doing acts of kindness, whether that's making stuff or just going over saying nice things. Yeah.
So today we are making chocolate chip cookies, and we've already done the first 3 steps because it would have made the video too long, and we will tell you.
So yeah, the first 3 steps are half a cup of butter, a full cup of sugar, and 3/4 a cup of brown sugar. And so we just mix that, and then the next step we will show you in a second. So
Let's get on to the rest of the video.
okay, so the measurements are 2 eggs, 2 white eggs, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. So it can be vanilla powder or vanilla. We're using vanilla powder for ours.
Throw this away.
So I'm gonna pour it in. So yeah, pour that in. And then you just mix that up with this. And then it should get kind of like squishy.
Squishy, perfect.
Okay, so the next step is 3 cups of flour. And if you have flour bags like this, I don't like trying to scoop up flour from this, so I cut off the top. And it makes it so much easier. Look at that. You can just dip your thing in.
We should be a movie.
We should be a live facts channel.
Yeah. I like that. Like
Life
that.
hacks.
And alright.
That'd be hilarious.
Hashtag easy life.
Okay, 1.
Oh wait, you're still. Hang on.
2.
Number 2.
Dos.
Dos.
Okay. And 3.
Trace.
It doesn't have to be exact, and you can add a little bit more if it's too runny and if it's too chunky, or if it's too like flaky and gross, then just throw it away. You can't fix it. Okay, so the next step is half a teaspoon of salt. And then you add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. So here's the baking powder. And these cookies are so
Yes, we've made them before.
Delicious.
She led us to a victory.
okay. So we're gonna mix that and then we'll show you the end results. Okay, so you add as many chocolate chips, dude.
As you
Okay,
want.
as you want. You added a lot in one spot, so we're gonna mix it up.
Oh, chocolate chippy.
And we washed our hands, don't worry.
Yeah, we washed our hands before the video.
And just barely. Okay.
Oh man, I got
So
flour
watch
all over
this.
me.
Wait, come here. Come show them. The awesome. Okay.
Right.
Boom. So we cooked the cookies at 375 degrees for 9 minutes. Okay, someone open the oven for me.
Okay.
We put 16 on each pan, so we're making 32. And we still have leftover cookie dough, so... okay, there we go. So we'll start the timer for 9 minutes. Boom.
He's a fake! I'm ready. Ready. Oh, here we go.
Ronaldo!
I'm pretty sure the cookies are done by now. Let's go. Okay, so the cookies are done. I'm plating them so then we can go doorbell ditch people with them. I'm doing 6 per family, and then we're gonna do 3 families. And so yeah, we'll show you when we get to their houses in case we can. We're gonna doorbell ditch them.
Starting to release, we're gonna have to hurry.
Okay.
Stay away. Somebody hear the door from the door.
doing the next house, but this might be kind of hard. So, come back. Okay, guys, we did it. We did it.
3 out of 3 were successful.
Yeah, they all got it. That's good. There were a lot of people outside though, so I don't know
Hi,
if
guys.
people saw us.
Yeah,
did
so
it.
Ava has to get to soccer practice. So we're gonna end the video
Oh
here.
no, they might cancel it though because it's raining.
So what? What's a little light rain?
We get canceled.
That was really fun,
That was
and now
really
we're gonna
fun.
go
We're gonna eat
enjoy
some
the rest of the cookies.
Yep.
Anywho, see ya. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, turn on that notification,
Ding.
and see ya.
Uh,
Bye.